I'm Peggy Semmens, coordinator for the Delnor Community Kitchen Cooking Program. Welcome to our class today. We have been cooking in this kitchen since June of 2018. Of course, with the coronavirus going on right now, we have decided to do some virtual cooking classes. So welcome. They will be sent out email-wise, and we are looking forward to getting you back in class. You'll be looking for our calendar, and hopefully we'll be opening up soon, and we look forward to having you back. But in the meantime, we hope to have a couple classes per week that you'll be able to view from your home and see what we're doing, what's up.
Hi, my name's Mary. I'm a registered dietitian here at Northwestern Medicine Delnor Community Kitchen, and we're doing some virtual cooking classes today. Today we're going to be making some delicious Greek quesadillas, so super easy. You can use them as snacks or meals. They're all Mediterranean plant-based, so the ingredients that you see here are just part of that Mediterranean diet. So we have some chopped spinach here. This is frozen spinach this time. That was what I was able to find, but you can use fresh spinach, and you can actually just use it in a non-stick pan, and when you warm it up, it'll wilt a little bit. It'll be perfect for the quesadillas. So we're gonna first start with the chopped spinach and put it right on our tortillas. And you can see today that we are using whole grain tortillas. So those are gonna have a little bit more fiber, and we need to have fiber in our life. We need soluble and insoluble fiber. And these are gonna have probably 3 to 5 grams of insoluble. They may have a little bit of soluble fiber too, which is good for your heart. But we're interested in making sure that we're getting a lot of fiber. It helps keep you full longer. So that's important as well as the medical parts of it. So we started out with our spinach, and then we're gonna add, to have the Greek ingredients here, we have sun-dried tomatoes. So I have chopped those up so that they're very concentrated in flavor, but you could use regular tomatoes as well. But I would kind of scoop out the seeds, because that's more liquid and it might make your quesadillas a little bit more soggy. So just kind of spread out the sun-dried tomatoes and make them delicious. We need a little bit more spinach on this one. And then that's going to have a nice concentrated flavor. So the recipe that you will see will have Kalamata olives, but today we were only able to get these black olives. They'll still be good, and they'll give you a nice little texture change. So you can add those in. If you're not a big olive fan, that's okay, but they are the healthy fats and part of that plant-based diet. So we're going to just throw in some of those olives, and then just for a little bit of extra flavor, we're going to have 2 different cheeses. We've got this yummy feta cheese that's going to give it a little bit of a savory Mediterranean feel to it. And then we're going to add the mozzarella, and this is a low-fat mozzarella. Some people think that plant-based diets do not have mozzarella or any dairy products, but we do still recommend low-fat for the dairy foods. So the mozzarella is kind of the glue that's going to stick the quesadillas together. So we're adding that in, and then for these particular quesadillas, you can see that I'm putting them on a baking sheet. So these you don't even have to saute. You can just bake them like this. And before we do that, we're going to add just a little touch of oregano, and that's going to give it a nice flavor. And then we also have some fresh dill. So we'll add that in. Those fresh herbs are a great way to add a lot of flavor without adding a lot of sodium. So we're going to put those in the oven, and then while those are baking, we're going to make our tzatziki sauce. So the tzatziki sauce is actually very healthy as well. We're starting off with just a cup of Greek yogurt, and we want to use plain. You can use the low fat as well. That'll be a little bit fewer calories. And then we're going to add some of the chopped finely English cucumber. And that's going to be just lovely. A little bit of garlic. This was only 1 clove, so that'll give it a little zip. We're going to add our fresh dill. fresh flavor with the dill. And then another thing to give it that fresh citrus feel is the lemon juice, and we did some little lemon zest in there, which really gives it that nice strong lemon flavor. So we're going to mix that together, and that is your beautiful tzatziki sauce for these lovely quesadillas. And when they come out, you'll notice that they're still nice and crispy and ready to go, and they are perfect with a little dollop of that tzatziki right on the edge. I hope you enjoy this recipe, and thanks for joining me today. Have a good day.